Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to open up my bed that I'm going to have in my SUV that I'm going to be staying in when I'm home from my runs once my lease expires at the end of January. That way I can save money, get a little piece of land, and get my tiny home, and that is my goal. So those of you that may be new to my channel, I have lived kind of a minimalist life for the last couple years in an RV. I lived in my SUV for 6 months, and now I have just a tiny studio apartment. When I lived in my SUV, I had built up a bed. I could not sit up in it in the back. So this time I'm doing things a little bit differently. I'm making everything mobile, lightweight, things that I can utilize again when I do get my tiny home. So stick with me and I'm gonna unbox it now and we'll see how it fits in here. I'm back here with my box and I'm getting ready to open it up. There's not a lot of room back here, so hopefully you guys can see it and check it out with me as I open it. I have my fingernail file because I didn't bring a knife with me, so hopefully this can get the box open. I came to a park to open up the box. I don't really have anywhere to throw it away at home, so they have big trash barrels here. So it's very convenient, and my neighbors aren't outside probably wondering what in the world I'm doing in the back of my SUV. In the box, it's a folding bed. What it is, it's kind of like a lawn chair, something you would stick outside. I got this because the dimensions will fit back here in my SUV, and also it raises up, so I don't always have to be in a laying position the whole time. I can sit up to watch videos, work on my Chromebook, and things like that. So it's going to serve a dual purpose, and then when I get my tiny home, I can have it to lounge outside on. So with a pillow, and then I'll show you guys the mattress when I get it on there. Okay, apparently I don't have the leg locked in. Okay, so here it is with it setting up at an angle a little bit. I'll definitely be able to sit on this and not hit my head on the top of the SUV like when I built my other bed in here. So that is an excellent thing. So it definitely fits with it sitting up. Let's see if it'll fit with it laying down. Oh wow, that's perfect. I don't know if you guys can see, and I'll pick up the camera and show you guys once I get the mattress on it, but it fits perfectly here. I'm going to have room over here for some totes, and then I have under bed storage totes to put under this too. So this is actually going to be a lot more comfortable and than what I previously had. It's still below the windows, so that's excellent too. Let's open up the Alright, so this is the mattress, or the pad. And if it isn't soft enough, I can always get like a little memory foam to stick on it, but I don't want to get it too tall. That would defeat the purpose of me being able to sit on it. But for I'm not going to be in here that many days. I'm not going to be living in it full time. I'm not going to be living in it full time like I was previously. So this mattress should do for the little bit of time I am going to be in here, hopefully. All right, check it out. All right, so you can see it has little ties on here. Yeah, I think it's gonna be fine. I really do. Like, it feels pretty comfy. I think this is really going to work out great. Tie this on here. Also, when I bought this, there are sheets that fit it, so I did get a black sheet, so I'll put that on there also here in a minute. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to do and try to get it in the video. Alright, I'm going to finish setting this up because I'm kind of in a tight little corner here, and then I will flip the camera around and show you guys the final setup. I got the bed all put together. I'm kind of sitting in front of the two seats so I can flip the camera around and show you guys. I love, love, love the way this is fitting in here. Just wait till you see it. All right, guys, so here it is. The sheet does fit kind of loose on it. It said it was made for this size, but I don't know. But there it is without the sheet. I mean, you don't necessarily have to have a sheet on it, especially if you're using a sleeping bag. I have it propped up just a little bit, but you can see down here before my floorboard drops off, it fits perfectly when I have it laid down all the way. It doesn't even come close actually to the edge of this, so it's going to set perfectly on there. And then over here, I'm going to have plenty of room for some drawers, and then underneath, like I said, the underbed storage. I can still easily get in and out of my door. It sits below the window, so very stealthy, and I'm super excited about this now. So I haven't laid on it. I'm getting ready to try it out to see how comfortable it is. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm on my bed. I absolutely love this so far. I wish I would have known about this when I lived in my SUV for 6 months full time. This is going to be such a game changer in staying in my SUV. It's the perfect length. It's actually pretty darn comfy. It's a great width, and I can still get in and out of my doors. It's below the windows. I can set little bitty drawers up beside me. I'm so super stoked about this. So excited. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching the unboxing of my bed. When I get some more stuff in here, I'll show you guys that too. I'm just gonna keep it the bare minimum. Like I said, I'm not really living in it full time like I was, at least not for now. And it's gonna save me $350 a month on rent. and I'm excited about that also. Yes, very, very, very happy with this purchase. If you guys want to know more about where I got this, the price, and a link for it, I can put that in the comments too if you'd like. Just leave me a message and let me know. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And you guys take care, and I'll catch up with you later.